Lenovo Loq HX processor, Intel Core i5. IT Gallery, Lenovo Experience Store. Pros: super low price, competent CPU for the cost, full HD 144Hz panel, useful selection of ports, including Ethernet. Power supply: 135-watt slim 3-pin AC adapter. Performance with 12th Gen Intel Core i5 processors. Combining revolutionary performance and efficiency cores, they enable seamless streaming, editing, gaming and recording, delivering performance where you need it most. Intel Thread Director keeps your gaming free from interruptions or throttling, while Intel Turbo Boost technology. Processor: Intel Core i5-12450HX. Graphics: NVIDIA GeForce RTX 2054GB GDDR6. Memory: 16GB DDR5. Storage: 512GB SSD. The 15.6 inches display, with its 16:9 aspect ratio and 3-side narrow bezels. Savor stunning FHD resolution, 144Hz refresh rates, and high brightness for exceptional clarity. Connectivity: right side, USB-A 3.2 Gen 1. USB-C 3.2 Gen 2, DisplayPort 1.4 plus 140W power delivery. Headphone, mic combo. E-shutter button. Rear, 2x USB-A 3.2 Gen 1. Ethernet, RJ45. HDMI 2.1. Power in. Keyboard, 1.5mm key travel. White backlight. Camera 720p with e-shutter. Hyper-chamber thermal design, purpose-built for gamers who demand the best. Its dual fans spin in opposite directions to stop annoying hot air from blowing on your hand mid-battle. By guiding cool air internally, the chamber keeps the heat in check, granting you extra power, reducing skin temperature by 2, and minimizing noise by 2 decibels. Simplify your gaming and study experience with Lenovo AI Engine Plus, fueled by the LA1i chip. Activate balance mode in Lenovo Vantage and let the AI intelligence step in, adapting settings on the fly. Say goodbye to the hassle of manual adjustments when juggling CPU-intensive schoolwork and GPU-demanding games. With the Lenovo LOQ 15IAX9, you'll enjoy peak performance effortlessly thanks to its AI smarts. Battery 4-cell, 60 Wh. Super Rapid Charge Pro, 40% in 10 minutes, 80% in 30 minutes, 100% in 60 minutes. Wireless. Intel Wi-Fi 6, 802.11 AX. Starting from Bluetooth 5.1.